Hello guys, welcome back to App Tutorial, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you block some certain words into your Discord server. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Discord application. And after opening Discord, you will just simply have to select the server for which you would like to block those certain words. I'm selecting this server, and after picking up the server you just simply have to go over server settings, and into the server settings you will get this section of moderation, and into this moderation section you just simply have to tap into this safety setup option. Tap there and you will get this option of auto mode. Now you just simply have to tap into this edit button besides auto mode. Tap there, and after tapping in there you will get to see this block custom words option into the content section. You just simply have to tap to create into the block custom words, and you have to enter the words which you would like to block into your server. You just simply have to enter certain words or phrase and put comma after each word or phrase that you would like to block. And after adding all those words, you just simply have to tap to save changes. And then you can filter out other options into there too. But certainly this way you can easily block some words into your Discord. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.